Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. It's farewell to Ganapati Bappa with joy and fervor. Pray for early arrival next year. Idols immersed after day and a half long chavath. Celebrations to continue for 11 days. Court convicts 4 accused in the Delhi gang rape case to pronounce quantum of punishment on Wednesday. India awaits justice, demands death to all rapists.
हर जुर्म के अंदर कोर्ट ने उनको पूरी सभी लोगों को कन्विक्ट किया.
Sensex soars 700 points, touches 20,000 mark. Rupee leaps to 64 against dollar. Gold plunges below 31,000 rupees. Big day for stock market after 2 weeks low. Vishnuvag hits out at his own government yet again for bending knees before casinos. Says casinos getting in hawala money may also promote dance bars. Vishnu aggressive against state policies. Now the news in detail. Bappa Moria, with promise to come next year, day and a half long chavath concluded on Tuesday. Bappa's journey back home began late evening. Ganesh idols were immersed late night. Each household said goodbye with the wish list and faith that Ganapati will shower lots of blessings and prosperity. However, the celebrations and the chavath mood will continue for 11 days.
Earlier in the day, Ganapati was offered pies prepared by using raw rice. The raw rice is harvested on the same day. Navachi Puja is performed and then pies is offered to Ganapati. This pies is main dish of Mahaprasad on the day of Pancham.
नवीन भाजी आसा तेजो मान जो आसा तो गणपतीक पयले दिलो वता. तशेंच ग्राम देवस्थान आसा तांकांय तो मान दिलो वता. कित्याक शेतकरी जे आसा ते पयली पीक काडच्या पयली आपली शेताची नासाडी जावची न्हू तशें मागणें केलें वता गणपती कडेन आनी आपल्या ग्राम देवस्थाना कडेन. तशेंच गणपतीच्या आमी कमरेन सोरोप पळयतात आनी तसो उंदीर पळयतात बसयल्लो की हे जे आसा सोरोप आनी उंदीर हे पिकाची नासाडी करचें न्हू म्हणून ते गणपतीचे कडेन गणपतीन आपल्या कडेन दवरलेले आसा. तशेंच हे अन्नपूर्ण आसा आनी ह्या धान्याचो उपयोग आपल्या वर्सभर जावचो म्हणून हो पयलो मान हो गणपतीक दिलो वता. हे धान्य मागीर तेजो कितें गोड कितें पदार्थ केलो वता, पायस बीन असो केलो वता आनी तो गणपतीक अर्पण केलो वता.
Whereas many buy this nave from the market.
पयलीं कितें आनी शेतां आसलेलीं शेतान वचून आमी शेताची पुजा करताले गन फूल घालून उजवाती घालून नागून तेची आमी भाताची कणसां काडटाले आनी येताले. आतां कितें जालां शेतां काबार जालीं, आतां कणसां मेळना म्हणून आमकां इत्ती वचचें पडटा. त्या जाग्यार आतां शेता जाग्यार आतां व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंग्यो जाल्यो.
But don't worry, the mood of Chavath continues across Goa with 5-day long and Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav still on. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The much-awaited verdict in Delhi gang rape case is out. District Court of Saket, Delhi on Tuesday convicted all 4 accused rapists and murderers of Nirbhaya. Court will pronounce the quantum of punishment on Wednesday. Altogether, 6 gangsters raped Nirbhaya on the tragic night of December 16th. One of the accused has already committed suicide, while the other is a juvenile. Victims' parents are demanding death sentence to all.
Last December, nation was shocked and ashamed. 6 men brutally raped a 23-year-old girl in a moving bus in Delhi and later threw her out of the speeding bus to die. This incident exposed the law and order in nation's capital, Delhi. Later, Union government amended the law relating to rape. The case was referred to fast-track court following public pressure and referendum. One of the accused had committed suicide by hanging himself in the cell. The charges against the accused includes murder, attempt to murder, gang rape, dacoity, destruction of evidence and conspiracy.
रेप में जो दिल्ली पुलिस ने जिस तरह से इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया है उसकी भी यशस्विता है और उसके बाद हमने जो कानून में बदलाव किए हैं अभी ये तो पिछले कानून में हो गया. अभी जो भी इस तरह के एक्शन हो जाएगी तो उस पर कानून बड़ा तगड़ा कानून किया है, उसे फांसी ही दिए जाएगी.
ये फैसला पूरी तरह से राजनीतिक दबाव में सत्ता पक्ष के द्वारा थोपा गया है. ये निर्दोष थे क्योंकि कंप्लेनेंट ने भी अपने पहले बयान में साफ तौर पे कहा था कि मेरे साथ 2 लोगों ने बलात्कार किया है. तो वो 2 थे जुवेनाइल और राम सिंह अगर मान भी लेते हैं वो थे तो 4 का बाद वालों का 4 का क्या रोल था. इसलिए उन पर राजनीतिक रूप से केवल वोटों की राजनीति करने के लिए, केवल जनता को संतुष्ट करने के लिए, दिखावा करने के लिए ये आदेश किया गया है.
हर जुर्म के अंदर कोर्ट ने उनको पूरी सभी लोगों को कन्विक्ट किया.
After this horrific rape, Nirbhaya struggled to breathe, struggled for life over a week. Finally, she succumbed to the injuries. Before dying, Nirbhaya gave her dying declaration to the police and the magistrate. Medical report also proved to be a vital evidence in this case. The friend of Nirbhaya who was accompanying her on the tragic night of 16 December identified all 6 accused. Now India demands justice, a death penalty for rapists including the juvenile. This case comes under rarest of rare category. Now all eyes are set on Wednesday's sentence. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It was a big day at stock market after a 2-week low. Sensex soared 700 points, hitting 20,000 on rupee recovery. Rupee took a leap of 64 against US dollar on Tuesday. Gold prices have now calmed down below 31,000 rupees. Is the chavath and new RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan's effect? Watch this report.
RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan has begun with measures to restore back the glory of Indian rupee. He has begun it with the auspicious occasion of chavath. Stock market and normal markets too have gained new hopes as rupee is recovering. The exports too have gained boost in past few days. All is happening during chavath celebrations. Stock market opened on Tuesday with rupee touching the figure of 65 against US dollar. It further improved to 64.30. While closing it was 64 against dollar. This is the biggest leap in the last 2 weeks. Sensex has soared to 700 points. Last 2 weeks, customers were perplexed with the fluctuating gold prices. Now rupee is improving and traders are ensuring that people buy gold in larger quantity. Gold has dropped below 31,000 rupees per 10 grams. State and union government are trying to improve ore exports and boost steel industry in India by resuming iron and ore mining. State Mines Department will sign contracts with lessees after chavath who have paid stamp duty on renewal. Simultaneously, Supreme Court will also hear the Goa mining matter for consecutive 2 weeks. On this backdrop, stock market expects improvement in the shares of some mining and steel companies. Things are improving in share bazaar and at the level of Indian rupee while chavath is underway and new governor of RBI, Raghuram Rajan, is monitoring market situation with his rupee strengthening measures. It has to be seen whether this is a long-lasting blessings of Ganapati Bappa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If mining ban has compelled government to bend the knees for casino revenue, then government may happily bring in n number of casinos and run the state. Now this taunt comes from BJP's government's own MLA Vishnu Wagh. Sandandre BJP MLA claimed that it cannot tolerate cultural degradation due to casino culture. Casino business is attracting hawala transfers and gradually bring the dance bar culture in Goa. Vishnu Wagh has yet again hit out at his own government.
Santandre MLA Vishnu Wagh is in a different mood this chavath. Vishnu Wagh is busy rapping Parikar-led his own government on flourishing casinos, MOI issue, mining, dance bars and so on. This is the second part of Vishnu's kirtan on Parikar government's controversial decisions.
The mining जर बंद जालें, हांव म्हणटा let us go for alternative sectors which can generate revenue. मागीर ताज्या खातीर आमी कॅझिनोचें समर्थन कित्याक करप? की कॅझिनोचे शिवाय आमचें जावचेंच ना म्हणून. जावचेंच ना कॅझिनोचे शिवाय. समजा जर जायच ना कॅझिनो आसले शिवाय आनी फुडले 2 वर्सां तरी आमकां कॅझिनो घेवनूच जर अर्थवेवस्था चलोवपाची आसत जाल्यार मागीर ते 5च कॅझिनो कित्याक? ते 10 करा न्ही. फरक कितें म्हणटा? की फुडले 2 वर्सांनी बाबा आमी आनी 20 कॅझिनो घालया. जुवारीनूय घालया, मांडवीनूय घालया, भरपूर पयशे जोडया आनी 2 वर्सांनी सगळे कॅझिनो धांवडावया आनी परत न्हांवन धुवन निवळ जावया.
Casinos are paving a way for black money in Goa through hawalas. Casinos will bring in vices like dance bars in Goa. Vishnu Wagh has linked Panji dance bar incident with casinos.
ह्या कॅझिनोच्या रुपान जगभर सध्या गोंयची जी बदनामी जाल्या ती आयकुपा जायना आमच्यांनी. आमच्यो लॉपसायडेड पॉलिसी आसात त्यो ताका कारणीभूत जाता न्ही. कॅझिनोंतल्यो उलाढाली मोठ्या प्रमाणार जितल्यो जाता तितल्या प्रमाणांत गोंयांत हवालाच्या देवघेवीचें प्रमाण वाडलां. हेजेर कोणाचेंच लक्ष ना सध्या. पोलिसांनी ह्या बाबतींत सखोल चवकशी करपाची गरज आसा. कॅझिनो खातीर आतां हांगा डान्स बार स्टार्ट जावपाक लागलीं प्रायवेट. पयरचें जें प्रकरण जालें जें खुद्द पणजेन चलतालें हें पणजेन म्हणजे ते येवन पणजेन त्या हॉटेलार रावूंक नाशिल्ले. ते आयल्ले कॅझिनो खेळपाक वांगडा येतना चलयो घेवन आयल्ले. सो ही जी बाकीचीं दुश्टचक्रां ती कॅझिनो बरोबर येतलींच आतां. जितले आमी कित्याक जर हें जायच म्हणटा आमी आतां आनी ताचे शिवाय पर्याय ना जाल्यार कॅझिनोच्या वांगडा ज्यो दुश्ट शक्ती येता त्यो तरी कशें हाडयतले आतां.
Vishnu Wagh has been criticizing his own government from quite a long time, but party has not yet reacted on Vishnu's versions. Sources close to party say party might consider remedial measures after chavath. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.